Hey everyone, I'm here to announce the winner of the Into Resin starfish mold. If you're interested in any of the raffles that I have, I'm going to try to do twice a month. Once a month is going to be hopefully one of the Into Resin molds. And then I think later on this month, I'm going to do one for for some of the rice paper and decoupage napkins that I've purchased. So if you're interested, watch my videos, because in my videos, I will tell you how to enter. So anyway, the winner of the Into Resin starfish mold. I love how this program just picks a winner for you. You just type in the words and then click pick a winner, and it picks a winner from the comments on this video. And the winner's Spoily Girl. Congratulations, Spoily Girl. Spoily Girl, congratulations. You have 48 hours to contact me. Contact me through my email, and do not put your email on the comments of the video. Just contact me through my email, and then I'll get your information. Okay, have a great day. Thanks for watching.